Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for being a part of this premium launch of MultiV 4 in Asia. I'm Rana, working as a technical manager with LG Electronics Singapore. Standing in front of you today is a matter of immense pride and great privilege. Today, I would like you to be attentive and please give me this opportunity to show what LG has come up with. It's a gem of a product. It has epitomized the pinnacle of technological advancements. Friends, I'm talking about a product we call LG's fourth generation VRF MultiV 4. Delegates, before I present, LG's history revealed that we have been continuously launching energy-efficient system air conditioners, VRF air conditioners, year by year, and will continue to do so in future as well. And I'm sure that after this 15 to 20 minutes of presentation of mine, you will all feel that, yes, this is another gem of a product that LG has come up, and this is one of the products that can truly be a leader of 4. So please be with me. Please lend me your ears for next 20-25 minutes, and let's see what LG MultiV 4 is all about. Let's begin. As a consultant or as an end user, energy efficiency, as Mr. Song rightly said, that energy efficiency has become a key or vital part for any VRF system. With LG's MultiV 4, we have greatly improved the system's integrated part load efficiency, which is as high as 30%. And when it comes to the conventional rated efficiencies, we have improved it by another 10%. Thanks to LG's innovative and state-of-the-art HVAC technologies, that we could keep up these kind of energy efficiencies where the customer is directly benefited because of the cost savings, because of these high energy efficiencies. Let's see what lies inside this MultiV 4. The compressor, the oil, the refrigerant, the heat exchanger. These 4 will always remain the backbone for any VRF system. Forget about VRF. This 4 will anyways be any backbone, anytime be a backbone for all HVAC system as well. Now, our R&D has worked tremendously to work on these individual aspects continuously, and so that together we make a very high energy efficient product. Let's see what is inside this MultiV 4 when we focus on all these components individually. First is our all inverter compressors. For the first time, LG has come up with all inverter system combination, means there is no constant speed compressor over here. Both the compressors are inverter compressors. It's an all inverter system. All those sitting over here who are aware with VRF system, they can very well gauge the fact what inverter system brings in to a VRF system. So having both the inverter compressors means we can achieve the desired temperature within short time, because now both the compressors are working in tandem simultaneously. But previously, our MultiV conventional technologies or the other existing competing products, they have only one of the system or one of the compressors running at one time. So we do not have both compressors running simultaneously. Means what? A customer sets a temperature, it takes more time to get cool. But with new MultiV 4, with this all-inverter 4th generation compressors, we could achieve that desired temperature very rapidly and very fast. Not only that, we have come up with a very high improved operational efficiency now as well. You can see over here that the operational efficiency for MultiV 4 is now from 15 Hz to 150 Hz. I'm not more concerned about 150 side, but I'm more impressed with 15 Hz. Why? For any one of us, we can all understand that for any VRF system, part load or a low load is the real load. Very seldom we have 100% cooling operations or 100% heating operations. So for any VRF system, to me, to R&D or to engineers, part load is the real load. And to have 15 Hz means we can go as low as 10%, 15% of running operation. This means our system can still give you best of efficiencies at 15 hertz. Previously, our range was from 20 to 120, but we have improved upward and we have improved downwards also. Downward is not a negative term, but downward is again over here means improvement in the lower part of the frequency. Not only that, again focusing on the part load efficiencies, we have added the 2 more bypass valves into the multi-V4 technology. Previously, as you can see there, we had 1, 2, 3, 4 bypass valves, but now with the new multi-V4, we have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 bypass valves. Bypass technology purely relates to, again, part load efficiencies. More bypass valves means we have more system efficiency when it comes to part load conditions. Means what? At low load, or those part load conditions, our bypass valves will continue to supply the refrigerant to the compressors. And again, we will have high energy efficiency. So this compressor is mainly focusing both on the part load as well as full load operations. Friends, I need your special attention on this technology, which is LG's own patent technology. We call this technology as a hyper technology. Hyper is the high pressure oil return system. As you can see that in conventional systems, the conventional way of oil return is that from the oil separator, the oil is coming back to the compressor side via a very long way. There's a very long path of moving the compressor oil back to the compressor from the oil separator. But now, with the new multi-V4, we have actually reduced, we have completely vanished this piping log structure, and we have made the oil directly from the oil separator go direct to the compressor. From oil separator, go back again to the compressor. Shortening of oil return means we have reduced, we have drastically improved on the compressor's energy efficiency. Compressor being a heart of any VRF system, for that matter, any HVAC system, if we are focusing or improving on the compressor's efficiency, by default, we improve the total system efficiency. So this hyper is LG's own patent technology right now. This is another technological advancement with heat exchanger. Conventionally, we used to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different paths for heat exchanger. Means refrigerator inside the heat exchanger flows through different paths, separate paths. Separate path means we have separate pressure differentials for the paths as well. So there will be a pressure loss amongst these different paths. But now with LG Multi-V4, we have actually reduced the paths as one, and we have made just one single path. There is no 2, 3 or multiple paths. The heat exchanger is optimized now with a single path, but with a longer path. Longer path means we have a more heat exchange area. More heat exchange area means we have better cooling operations. Eventually, we have conventional technologies with one inverter compressor, but now with 2 inverter compressors and this heat exchange, we can achieve our operational range up to 54 degrees centigrade. 54 degrees centigrade is not for Singapore, by all means, we know that. But Singapore is one place. We have launched this product also in Saudi, in the Middle East, in the subtropical countries like Central South America countries, where temperature zones, outdoor ambient, is as high as 50 degree. For those tropical countries also, this Multi-V4 comes up with an optimal solution. So thanks to LG's compressor, thanks to LG's optimized heat exchanger, we could achieve this tremendous task of having cooling range up to 54 degrees centigrade. That sums up Multi-V as a product. But Multi-V4, or for that matter, any VRF system, is not only about product. How about installation? To me, as a technical manager, or for any salesperson of mine, Multi-V4 also has to be perfect for installation, or for that matter, any VRF has to be perfect for installation. How Multi-V fares in the installation is through lightweight. You see over here, Multi-V is almost 26% lighter with the same horsepower conventional system. You can see over here, we weigh almost 30% lesser, almost 26% lesser than a conventional multi-V or conventional VRF system. This means what? As to an installer, it's easy to install. You can easily push in this product inside the building, over the roof, on the top, because it's a lighter in weight. But for end user, it will support your structure preferably very well, because it's lighter, much lighter in weight. Next part is another important aspect is piping. For all friends of mine who are sitting here, we know that for any VRF system, piping does pose a big challenge, a big challenge. Due to our technological constraints, not only with LG, but also with the competing brands, due to these technological constraints, we could not have a bigger gamut of piping. You can see over here, your indoor to indoor piping is just 15 meter, from one indoor to other indoor. Whereas your indoor to outdoor single elevation is just 50 meter with conventional technologies. But now, with our multi-V, we have greatly improved multi-V piping, and we have made this piping for indoor to outdoor as long as 110 meter. But more importantly, this indoor to indoor elevation has gone up to 40 meter. This means a lot, and the total gamut of piping is around 1,000 meter, a kilometer of piping, which is enough. For any hospital, for any college, for any university, or for any installation sites where you need piping or where piping is challenged, you can have this multi-V4 with this tremendous piping network. Friends, world has moved smart, so has multi-V4. So now multi-V4 can be remotely controlled by any smartphone, so you don't need to be on site to control your multi-V. You can monitor it, you can control it by using LG's smartphone. Oh, sorry, any smartphone, not only LG's smartphone. Okay, we don't mean to sell multi-V plus LG smartphone, but just a way to say that yes, we have gone smart. LG multi-V 4 too has gone smart. We can control LG multi-V 4 by any smartphone, provided you are connected with Wi-Fi or data network. Delegates, this was a very terse, very small presentation, and thanks for your patience hearing for this product. And I'm sure that after this presentation, with your confidence and with your much needed support, we will definitely make LG's multi-V 4 as a champion product for Singapore market. And we all can say that this product is truly beyond your standard, the true leader of 4. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Rana.